Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to resize desktop icons on a Windows 11 PC or laptop so you can make them bigger or smaller depending on your preference. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my content. Let's get started. Resizing desktop icons in Windows 11 is very easy. First, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. From the menu that appears, hover over View. You'll see three options: large icons, medium icons, and small icons. Select large icons to make your desktop icons bigger, or choose small icons to make them smaller. You can switch between these options at any time until you find the size that works best for you. And that's it. You've successfully resized your desktop icons on Windows 11. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy Windows tips.